welcome to the Instructional Design Innovations Basecamp. This will be the site that we'll be using to do our online dialogue and discussion throughout our courses. What we'll be doing first is when you sign up for a class, you will receive an email invitation from Basecamp. At that time, you'll be able to set up your own username and password. You'll need to enter, and this will also be included in the email, the Instructional Design Innovations Basecamp URL. So once you enter the URL, and you'll enter the username and password, and then you'll just click sign in. So now that you're logged in, the first thing you'll see is the dashboard. And this will be kind of like the home page for all of the Instructional Design Innovations Basecamp. You will have access to the courses that you're signed up for, as well as the IDI General Questions section. The IDI General Questions section is the place where we're going to put documents that will help you navigating Basecamp and generally with the course, or with any courses that you take from IDI. You'll also see the fact that you have your specific course. And for both of those areas, you'll see the latest files and messages, any activity that has taken place recently in those two areas. Over here is just a place for you to do some navigating. You can click over here to get to your one of the classes or sections, or you can click over here to do that. I'm going to click on the IDI General Questions section just to give you an idea. Okay, we've entered the IDI General Questions section, and this will be the same view that you'll have for any of the course rooms that you are in. This is where most of the interaction will happen. This is where we'll collaborate and talk with one another. Again, you'll have an overview which will give you a snapshot of the latest activity that's happened in the course room. If you click messages, this is where we're going to spend most of our time. And your facilitator will enter a one comment or a message, and that will probably be an assignment or a question from your readings or from your course. And what you'll do is, this is where you'll begin to interact. So you'll add a comment, type in your thoughts, ideas here, and then click add the comment. If there's a file or an article you want to upload that you want to share with your colleagues, you can click that right there to do that. You can also obviously preview your comment so that you can take a look at it before it actually goes up. As you can see here, I have uploaded a document, and it's sitting right there, the Basecamp written tutorial. That way anybody can click on it and download that document. You'll see, too, that as the discussion grows, that people will be commenting on people's comments, and it'll just go on, and it'll be actual conversation online. The final area I would like to show you is the files area. And this is simply just another way of organizing your work. To me, I think the files area is helpful if you just need to find a certain document or an article and you don't want to go through all the messages. If you click Files, anything that is uploaded to this area of Basecamp under IDI General Questions, all of those files will be listed chronologically here, as you can see with the first one that I loaded. And that concludes our tour of Basecamp. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us an email at jen@i-d-innovations.com. Thank you.